If you need to reopen a closed Zelle account, follow these steps to guide you through the process. Make sure you have your account information handy before starting. Step 1. Contact your bank or credit union. Reach out to the financial institution that you used to set up your Zelle account. You can do this by calling their customer service number or visiting a local branch. Step 2. Verify your identity. Before starting recovery, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Request account reopening. Inform the representative that you would like to reopen your closed Zelle account. They will provide you with the necessary steps or requirements needed to proceed with the reopening. Step 4. Follow instructions. Follow any specific instructions given by your bank or credit union. This may include filling out forms, updating your account information, or agreeing to new terms and conditions. Step 5. Confirm reopening. Once you have completed all necessary steps, confirm with your bank or credit union that your Zelle account has been successfully reopened. You may also want to log into your account to ensure everything is functioning correctly. By following these steps, you can successfully reopen your closed Zelle account. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to your financial institution for further assistance.